Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your paycheck just disappears? Rent, bills, groceries, it's like your money has a secret exit plan. Well, what if I told you there's a way to add an extra $100 to your wallet every single day? And no, it's not a scam or one of those work 80 hours a week for pennies deals. These are real, legit side hustles that thousands of people are already using to transform their finances. The only question is, will you be one of them? Or will you watch this opportunity pass you by while others cash in? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to earn $100 a day online without quitting your 9 to 5 or sacrificing your sanity. And trust me, once you see how easy it can be, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Number 1. Freelance services, turning skills into cash. Let's start with something simple, freelancing. Did you know that if you can write, edit videos, or design logos, you're sitting on a gold mine? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are practically begging for talented people. And no, you don't need to be the next Shakespeare or Picasso to get started. Here's the exciting part. Even beginners can charge $20 to $50 per project. That's just 2 to 5 projects a day to hit your $100 goal. And if you're thinking, but I don't have any skills, stop right there. YouTube is your free university. Want to learn graphic design? Watch a few tutorials on Canva. Need to brush up on writing? There are thousands of free guides. Now, imagine this. You've landed your first client, and they love your work so much they refer you to others. Suddenly, you're making $500 a week just from a few hours of work. It's not a dream. It's real. You just need to start. By the way, did you know the average Netflix user spends 3.2 hours a day binge watching? Imagine if you spent half of that time building your freelance business. Just saying. Number 2, print on demand, passive income, active rewards. Let's talk about print on demand. This is perfect if you love creativity but hate inventory. Sites like Etsy and Redbubble let you design t-shirts, mugs, and even phone cases, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. Here's where it gets fun. With AI tools like Midjourney or Canva, you don't even need to be an artist. Create designs based on trending phrases, memes, or seasonal themes and upload them. Boom, you've got a product. Now picture this. It's the holiday season, and one of your designs goes viral. Suddenly, you're making $500 a day in passive income while sipping hot cocoa. Too good to be true? Check out the success stories of creators making 6 figures with this side hustle. And remember, those people started exactly where you are right now. But what if you don't have a creative bone in your body? Don't worry, because the next side hustle doesn't require any creativity at all. Number 3, online tutoring. Teach what you know. Are you good at math, speak a second language, or even know how to play guitar? Then online tutoring is your golden ticket. Platforms like Wyzant, VIPKid, or even Zoom sessions let you teach skills to students who are eager to learn. Here's the kicker. Some tutors make $25, $50 an hour, depending on their expertise. That's 2 hours a day to hit your $100 goal. And no, you don't need a teaching degree, just the passion to share what you know. Unless, of course, you're trying to teach TikTok dances, then you might need more than passion. Think about it. You're helping others while getting paid. It's like karma, but with a paycheck attached. Number 4, reselling, turning thrift store finds into profit. Finally, let's talk about the art of flipping. Imagine walking into a thrift store, buying a vintage jacket for $10, and reselling it on eBay for $100. It happens all the time. The secret is knowing what sells, and apps like eBay and Depop make it easy to find trending items. And don't limit yourself to thrift stores. Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist are gold mines for free or cheap items you can flip for profit. But how do you know what's worth flipping and what's just junk? I've got a strategy for that. Hang tight. Now that you know the options, let's get real. None of these side hustles will work unless you do. But here's the exciting part. Just one of these could completely transform your financial future. Imagine a year from now, you've started freelancing, set up a print-on-demand shop, or mastered flipping thrift finds. You're earning $100 a day, or even more. You've paid off debt, started investing, or saved for that dream vacation. But here's the thing. Most people watching this video won't take action. They'll think, I'll do it later, and later turns into never. Don't be one of them. Be the one who starts now, because every day you wait is a day someone else is claiming the opportunities you're leaving behind. So what's your next move? Start small. Pick one hustle. Take the first step today. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to grow your wealth and build the life you deserve. 2025 is